Are you one of those people spending all this money and time and putting all this really big expensive armor on the outside of your truck, but you neglected the armor on the inside of your truck? Me too. I'm just tired of going inside my truck and I see all this dog hair, or you might have kids and they got all this mess back there, the baby formula, and well, maybe not baby formula because we're low, but you're just tired of spending all this time and effort cleaning up after them, and your OEM fabric is looking horrible and you might not sell your rig for what you want. I got a solution for you that's very easy to put on, you won't break the bank, and it's just gonna make your truck look Gucci. Stick around. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Ernesto with YotaKing. Now in today's video, I'm going to be installing a full set of seat covers by Luckyman for my Toyota Tacoma. I got a 2018. These are for those of 16 and up. Now there's several reasons why I went with Luckyman. For one, the price, you can't beat. $250 and under for all 5 seat covers. 2, the way they look. It looks OEM. I went with the complete black kind, but you got ones with red stitching and all different kind of colors you can choose. And then the other reason is I'm a Prime member. I could always return it if I don't like it, and you don't have to pay for shipping. If you don't like it, you just send it back. So let's jump in and put these on, see how they look. Now you will see a bag of these brown looking washers that come with the seat covers. These are to prevent your seat covers from moving up or down or forward. I believe this is a great commodity to have with seat covers because they can be annoying when that does happen. You will also see 4 of these hook clips that come with the seat covers. These only go on the bottom portion of the front seat covers only, and these will prevent your seats also from shifting around. Now one really cool feature about these seat covers is that they are airbag compatible, and I am very safety oriented and very proactive when it comes to that. So this was a must-have, especially if your rig provides airbags. So these have a pocket with the tag that you would match to your OEMs. Just make sure that those are on the right side. So another thing I like to add is that the headrests are all around covered, and all 5 headrests will be independently covered, and it's a very good feature. There's a lot of seat covers that do not provide that. Also, these seat belt buckles are exposed. I had ones that were really hard to get to because they weren't. I love that these seats have the storage pocket, and I'm telling you, these look so OEM. When you open the door, it changes the look on your truck, and that is a plus, that storage pocket. Another thing you're gonna notice, which I loved from this faux leather, is that the breathability on this is the best. You sit down, it's got a lot of cushion. I really enjoyed that it has that feel. And if you got children, this is child seat compatible. These have a very convenient feature in which they're split backrest and covered independently. So if you need to reach in for your jack to change out a tire or have any storage in the back of the seat, you can open and close without having to remove your seat covers as others do. Also, you will notice is that the belt handle is in the correct position. So when you have to open up the bottom side of your seat, you just pull on the handle that Toyota provides. This makes everything less frustrating, especially when you just want to get what you need without spending too much time getting it done. So this would be the only time that you will need a tool. Here I'm using a socket wrench with a 14mm socket. And also you're going to notice when you take this bolt off, you will have a washer that holds everything together. Make sure you just put that to the side and put it back when you're done. It does help putting everything back together. So now this portion of the seat cover does provide 2 openings for the seat belt. You want to run that through the top portion and remember to put it through the bottom portion, as it will make it easier for you to open and close that seat. So the installation for the seat cover should take about 45 minutes to an hour, taking your time, making sure that everything is snug. I am getting so many compliments from family and friends on these. They really do change the look of your Tacoma, and it looks so much cleaner, and it's definitely eye candy. It's wild how something you may think is insignificant to your mods can make a huge impact, considering how cheap the price. I wish I could have done these a lot sooner and saved time on cleaning up. I will leave a link on the description below. If you liked the video, please share, comment, like, and subscribe. Peace.